This is my rough draft. I'm still going to tweak it. It's my Phase 10 flyer. Phase 5 and Phase 6 are promoted in it. Phase 5 costs $95, pays you $75 for every Phase 5 purchase that you get and recruit. If they joined at Phase 5 for $95, you're going to get $75 every time. They can also come in at Phase 1 through 4 if they want, at a lower price. Get paid daily, get paid every day. No monthly fees. It's only a one-time purchase. Phase 6 costs $220. Pays you $175 for every Phase 6 referral. They can also come in at any phase they want, 1 through 6, at lower prices for phases 1 through 5. If you came in at that phase and paid that price, other people will too. I'm at the 10th phase. I'm going to show you a copy of the PDF flyer. RealCashUSA is the website. This is for USA residents only, no Canada, no other countries, because the shipping cost for the starter kit is too expensive to send to other countries. www.RealCashUSA.com. Watch the video, the short video on the website. Level 5 or Phase 5 pays you $75. Level 6 pays you $175 because it costs $220. Phase 5 costs $95. Get paid fast. This admin is very quick about paying people. As soon as he gets the payment, he sends it off to you and he sends the starter kit to the customer. United States residents only. Here's option B, which is Phase 6. He does have Cash App, PayPal, and Zelle and Venmo. Just get with me, call me, and I can give you the information so that you can send it to him. Option B on this flyer is $220, which is Phase 6. You're going to get a whole bunch of peel and stick labels, the leads as the product and the starter kit, and you will be qualified to earn Phase 6 commissions. Option A is Level 5, Phase 5. I'm at a restaurant, so you're going to have to forgive me for the noise. $95 for Phase 5. It pays out $75. Contact me so you can pay Micha-EL Marketing. You can pay with cash, money order, Zelle, Cash App, wrap cash up in paper, PayPal, however you want to pay him. Get a hold of me, and I can give you his contact information to send to him. Here's my phone number, 352-286-8014. Call me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I am Michael Jensen from Daily Cash Team. My ID for this program is 162258. I am your inviter, your sponsor, 162258. Write that down, put it on paper so you can, when you send to the admin, you can give him that ID number. This is a 2022 flyer. I've been getting paid from this program for 5 years, and it still pays me. RealCashUSA.com. Go to the website, watch the little video. It's a very fun, easy to do, simple to duplicate program. New creative money-making plan revealed. It's forcing people to make money. RealCashUSA.com. You can't help but make money with what we are showing you. It's simple, it's easy, it's fast, it's affordable, it's lucrative. It's also postcards and flyers. He has both. So option A on this flyer is $95. Option B is $220. Call me 352-286-8014. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I am Michael Jensen from Daily Cash Team. God bless you. Jesus is coming. Jesus is Lord. Thank you. Bye-bye.